Welcome back. Magsisimula na ngayong weekend ang Beach Volleyball Republic Tournament sa SM by the Sands at mapapanood nyo dito lang sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action. For more on this, kasama natin ang mga top volleyball stars na sina Mitch Rente, Denden Lazaro, Mitch Otoshi, and Gretchen Ho. Good evening, ladies. Hello. Ayan. Thank you for braving the traffic. Thank you for staying. All right. Let's talk to the players who are going to play this weekend first. Okay, Denden, simulan natin with you. We know this is technically called the Women's Open. So, kumbaga, the best of the best will be competing. Who are you playing with and how are you preparing for this tournament?
I'll be playing with Philka Inglet Cayetano.
Okay.
And honestly, I haven't trained with her. She's been training with the others muna.
Okay. So, hamon yun sa chemistry kasi you have to know each other well.
Yeah, although we've been playing the past years in Ateneo, it's different pa rin if beach volleyball kasi kayong dalawa lang.
Right. And yun na nga, when I interviewed the others the other night, yung communication, malaking bagay. Minsan kailangan kindatan lang, alam mo na eh.
Yeah.
So how will you guys handle that this weekend?
We'll see. We'll see.
Okay, itong dalawa naman, to begin with, pareho kayo Mitch. So siguro doon pa lang wala kayong problema. Pero paano nyo binuo yung team ninyo? I mean, let's talk to these ladies. You didn't naman start with beach, di ba? How did you work on the transition from indoor volleyball to beach volleyball?
That's the exciting thing actually, because
Okay.
it's gonna be my first time
Your
to
first?
play. Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right.
I'm really
But you've
excited
tried to
about
play beach na rin. At least you've
Yeah,
trained. Okay.
I trained with sila Bea and Eliza before,
Okay.
but that's about it. I wasn't
Okay.
able to join tournaments.
Sa puti.
No tan lines,
Baka
nothing.
kasi nagsa-sunblock ka ng SPF 1000. Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Okay. Okay, para kay